You cannot always rely on the market to make you successful. I'm going to show you exactly how to build a profitable triplex from the ground up. I don't want to see you going out into the jungle. Oh my gosh, what did I do? So in this workshop, we are going to be covering the 3 core tenets of the highest to best use. Number 1, the land. Number 2, the structure. And number 3, your personal skill sets and time. The basement apartment is disappearing. We need to be a little bit more creative because basements are finite. There's only so many of them out there. Triplexing is the next step. You can become profitable from day 1 doing the math instead of just hoping and praying that the market will take you away. I want to help you identify what a good deal actually looks like. How do you start the process? How big should the lot be? How long does it take to build? How do you finance? How do you exit? Where can things go wrong? How big is the building that you're actually putting on that land? How much can you fit? Your setbacks, your building size, your parking. Remember, it's not good enough to just say, I want to build a triplex. It has to actually function for the people that live there. Another example of land would be drainage and grading. Where are you sending the water? You can't flood out your neighbors. All of these things we will cover in the one-day workshop. I am a professional nothing. I am not a realtor. I'm not a mortgage broker. I'm not an accountant. What I do have is experience. Real world, boots on the ground experience. In this triplex workshop, I will distill down 10 years worth of my own personal experience as well as other investors' experiences so that you can do it too. Don't throw yourself into the jungle without getting some skills first. You only have a finite amount of time and you must deploy with precision to make sure that you end up becoming as profitable as possible. I'm Ryan Carr, reminding you that good deals are found, great deals are created.